Make a slip knot. Place your hook where you did the slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the yarn. Yarn over, pull through the yarn. Yarn over, pull through the yarn. Yarn over, pull through the yarn. Repeat until your desired length. This is where I'll speed up a little.
Remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? Now all we do is put out the fires. It's not how we used to be. I can sit here and talk about the memories, but I guess that's not what you wanna do. So I just wanna
That's how to make a chain stitch.